Today I'm doing an unboxing. I have a shipment coming from an Etsy shop called Awesome Bonsai, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So cute. These are tiny mini moss balls. They're so perfect. Look how cute they are. And these are sold separately. This is a little glass vial. And this is to put the water inside the glass vial. Marimo, a Japanese word which literally translates to seaweed ball, are not moss at all. They're actually a rare form of spherical algae. There's no central stone or kernel inside the sphere. It's solid algae radiating from the center, growing radially outward at the snail's pace of just 5 millimeters per year. But in their natural habitats, few freshwater lakes in Japan, Estonia, Iceland, Scotland, and Australia, they've been known to grow to between 8 and 12 inches in diameter. Light. Keep your Marimo where they will receive low to medium indirect light. You must protect Marimo from the direct rays of sun, as Marimo can easily turn brown if they are getting direct light. Also, keep in mind that direct sun will be intensified by glass, Marimo enclosures, which can heat water quickly. Remember, these guys are native to cool lakes and should be kept cool. Marimo are well adapted to low light spaces and can photosynthesize in normal household light. If your space has no window, keep Marimo close to a fluorescent or full spectrum bulb. Changing the water. Change water once every 2 weeks using regular tap water. For best results, allow water to sit out for 24 hours prior to changing the water. You'll need to change the water more often in summer as it will heat and evaporate more quickly. Clean your Marimo enclosure with a brush if algae begins to grow on tank surface. So cute, and I love how they really give you so much information on these. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. Here is a closer look at these mini moss balls and the vial. They shipped so well and arrived perfect. They did a great job. Awesome Bonsai Etsy shop did an outstanding job. They have great protective packaging, they have fast shipping, they have amazing customer service, and they have beautiful quality products. Definitely check them out. I put the link to their Etsy shop and their Instagram in the description below, and stay tuned to see a slideshow of all the items they have for sale on Etsy.